NASA is on a mission to revolutionize space exploration with the Artemis program, one of its most ambitious projects yet. It's set to return to the moon and beyond in a way that's never been seen before. Which aims to return to the moon and make manned explorations into interstellar space. An incredible feat that will push the boundaries of what we know. The program includes a series of missions starting in the 2020s, with the ultimate goal of sending humans to Mars, an incredible feat that will change the face of space exploration forever. This major project is progressing in 3 main phases, and it's full steam ahead. Artemis 1, Artemis 2, and Artemis 3. Artemis 1, Earth. This mission included some really important technologies that NASA is testing for future manned missions, which is really exciting. However, during the firing test at the Stennis Space Center in Mississippi, the 4 RS-25 engines ran for less time than expected, which provides NASA with an exciting opportunity to make improvements. Although the test was not conducted at full capacity, NASA managers were thrilled to report that it provided important data and took critical steps for future missions. Artemis 2, Manned Mission. The Artemis 2 mission is set to be a truly momentous event, with a manned mission planned for 2025. This mission is going to be incredible. It'll take astronauts all the way around the moon and return without landing on the lunar surface. This mission is going to be a game changer for NASA. They'll be testing some incredible manned flight technologies in lunar orbit and getting ready for the next big thing, Artemis 3. Artemis 3, the first woman to set foot on the moon. The most thrilling part of the Artemis program is in this mission, astronauts will land on the moon, and a female astronaut will become the first woman to set foot on the lunar surface. NASA is on a mission to make history by becoming the first to land on the moon's south pole. This region is of great scientific importance, with craters on the moon's surface that are constantly in shadow. With Artemis 3, NASA is aiming high. They want to create a long-term presence on the moon by making the most of the resources there. And they're also developing the technologies needed for future Mars missions. Just think of what Artemis will bring to space exploration. The Artemis program is set to achieve the most comprehensive and long-term goals in space exploration to date. The program has an ambitious goal to establish permanent bases on the lunar surface and enable long-term human life in space. The Artemis program is a huge step forward in space exploration. Unlike past Apollo missions, it focuses on a sustainable exploration structure on the moon. NASA is on a mission to explore the moon's south pole and use the water ice there to obtain water and oxygen. This is going to be a huge leap forward in testing technologies that will be used to support human life, not only on the moon, but also on Mars and other planets in the future. How will our intrepid astronauts be prepared for this incredible journey? The Artemis program is going to put our astronauts through their paces, preparing them for much more demanding and longer missions. These missions will involve not just a few days on the moon, but months of scientific work and long-term life on the moon. It's going to be incredible. Astronauts are undergoing new training programs to prepare for these challenging missions. They are being trained with extensive simulations for long periods in zero gravity, different conditions on the lunar surface, and future missions to Mars. In addition, the equipment and clothing that astronauts will use are also undergoing changes. The new generation of spacesuits to be used in the Artemis mission will be much more advanced than previous missions. NASA aims to provide more flexibility, durability, and mobility in these new suits. These suits are going to be a total game changer for astronauts, making their work safer and more efficient than ever before, especially when they're dealing with the extreme temperatures and harsh surface conditions at the moon's south pole. The incredible Mars mission, the Artemis program, marks an exciting new chapter for NASA as they embark on the first steps towards manned missions to Mars. However, the journey to Mars will undoubtedly present us with even more incredible challenges than those we have already faced on our journey to the moon. The first and most important challenge is the distance, which is an incredible 225 million kilometers to Mars. The moon is approximately 384,000 kilometers from Earth, but the distance to Mars can reach 225 million kilometers. This makes the journey longer and more exciting, as well as more dangerous, with radiation being a major concern for the astronauts. And there's another challenge to look forward to: the harsh weather conditions on Mars. The thin atmosphere of Mars makes it a very cold planet, but that just adds to the excitement of exploring this fascinating planet. Dust storms can seriously hamper astronauts' work, but that just adds to the challenge and excitement of working on Mars. This is why we need to get our thinking caps on and start planning some big engineering projects to create a permanent habitat on Mars. The Artemis program is going to be a game changer. It's going to test the technologies we need before we head to Mars, making sure we're ready for the challenges ahead. The experiments on the moon will be a fantastic stepping stone for the development of life support systems, radiation protection methods, and energy generation technologies that will be used in the Mars mission. Artemis will also test the logistics and supply systems required for long journeys to Mars, an incredible feat of engineering, a fascinating mythological origin, and the beginning of an incredible new era. In Greek mythology, Artemis is the daughter of Leto and Zeus and the twin of Apollo, an incredible being with a fascinating history. Artemis is a fascinating mythological goddess with a rich history. She was born in Delos, one of the small islands next to Mykonos in the Greek archipelago. Each community gave her different names, and Artemis existed for thousands of years in almost all communities throughout the Mediterranean basin: Mesopotamia, Syria, Egypt, Crete, and other Mediterranean islands: Greece, Italy, Gaul. So, why did NASA name this project Artemis? The name of the program was chosen from a list of the most inspiring goddesses in mythology. Artemis is known as Apollo's twin sister in Greek mythology. Artemis is included in mythology as the goddess of wild nature, hunting, archery, and the moon. What an amazing list of talents. Well, dear space enthusiasts, we have reached the grand finale of this thrilling adventure with the Artemis project, and what an incredible journey it has been. But wait, there's more, and there's still more to come. If you, like me, get a kick out of gazing at the stars, then you've got to join our incredible Galactic Journey family. By subscribing to our channel, we can explore so many fascinating topics together. From the depths of space to the secrets of our solar system, from black holes to exoplanets, we're going on an incredible journey together. And the best part is, with each new video, we'll be one step closer to unraveling the mysteries of the universe. In Galactic Journey, you'll not only learn, but you'll also become part of a cosmic community. You can even participate in discussions by asking questions and leaving comments and suggestions for new videos. Don't miss out. Click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. You won't want to miss any of the amazing cosmic discoveries. Let's explore the far reaches of space together with Galactic Journey.